Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel where we kill our plants by dropping our phones on it. Okay, take two. I'm just gonna hold the phone. So, welcome to my channel where we just chill and do some plant stuff. You know, learn how to plant, learn how not to kill our plants by dropping our phones on it. And so, yeah, if you can see, I am not home. I am dealing with life, right? So, while I deal with life on my downtime, I decided to check out a nursery. I didn't film anything in the nursery because it's my first time there. I need both of my hands to, you know, to pick up plants, check out plants, and, you know, carry plants. So I did get 2 plants, and I'm going to show you really quick. And yeah, it's just gonna be a quick look what I got type of video. Alrighty, see ya in a second. Hey guys, alright, so the first one I picked up was this Hoya gracilis, which is also called the Hoya memoria, apparently. I do have 2 little Hoya memorias, but I saw this one and it looked really cute. It looks a little different than the plants that I have at home, and it, you know, it's a Hoya, so I mean, you know, you can never have too many Hoyas, but just give you a quick view in the little light that I have here. Look at the nice little splash, and the splash varies based on how much light you give it. So the more light you give a plant, the more splash will have. Just for anybody who likes splash. I'm not sure if all plants can develop splash, but this plant can, and it does vary based on the amount of light. So these guys are the newer leaves. They look yellow on the camera viewer, but they have like a little pinkish tint to them, and they're a light green. So these are the brand new leaves. But yeah, so this is what I got. They are like rooted. I like to try to just tug on them a little bit. Really? Sorry about that. The boyfriend was playing with the hairdryer. So anyway, what I like to do is I like to pull on the plants just to make sure that they're rooted, because sometimes, you know, they're kind of just stuck in there and sold, and, you know, there's no roots, and I need to know that so that I can hopefully root it up. But these guys feel rooted. There are no roots at the bottom, so I don't think they're extensive roots, but they're at least started. So that's the first one I got, and I made a mess. And the second one I got is this Aglaonema. This one's actually listed cutless. So if you know, or if you've watched any of my videos, I really like Aglaonemas. I like the no fuss type of plants, although some of my Aglaonemas are fussy. And I figured, you know, why not add to that? Add to the no fuss, hopefully Aglaonema collection that I have. But I just think these look really cool. So I got him. He's a cutie. And hopefully none of my fussier Aglaonemas die while I am here dealing with life. So, just a quick little video. The boyfriend again is making noise in the background because he can't stop himself from making noise. he has to make the noise. Anyway, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out. Also, hit the like and subscribe button because, yeah, come hang out. Alright, guys. Peace.